Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, we're going to use the air fryer to make some amazing pizza. So what I did for this video is I made one of my typical pizza doughs and I cut off 200 grams of dough, which is equal to 7 ounces. So that is what you're seeing in the video today. So for this recipe, I found 200 grams is a perfect size for a mini pizza in an air fryer. So we've got our pizza dough, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni. So I've just sprinkled down a little bit of all-purpose flour onto my bench, and then I just pushed out my dough. And now I'm using some homemade pizza sauce. And if you want to see how that's made, I'll put a link underneath this video in the description box. And then we'll throw on our cheese and a few slices of pepperoni. To make sure that the pizza does not stick to the little air fryer tray, I'm just putting a little bit of flour on the bottom. So I've turned on my machine and I have set it into bake mode, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius. And in about 3 minutes, the machine tells me to add my food. So I'll add that in and our pizza is going to bake for exactly 8 minutes. Once the baking sequence is up, then you can remove your pizza. And there we have it, and I think it looks really good. And then I'll get my pizza wheel and I'll cut into it. And for me, that is perfectly baked, fully cooked inside. So if you have an air fryer at home, this is an amazing little recipe to try. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.